In Ezekiel 37:13, it says, "Then you, my people, will know that I am the Lord when I open your graves and bring you up from them." So that's why pinakita ni God kay Ezekiel yung valley of dry bones. Bakit? Because He wants to show the people that He can give hope to a hopeless case. Dry bones, paano magkakaroon ng, tas hiwa-hiwalay pa. Buti si Lazarus, buo pa siya, di ba? Nung sabi ni Jesus, "Lazarus, come out." Pero yung dry bones, hiwa-hiwalay, yung skull, maybe nandun sa Jerusalem. Kasi valley means it's a vast. Malaki, malawak siya. So, yun sabi ni God, "Then you, my people, will know that I am the Lord when I open your graves and bring you up from them." And in John 4:48, Jesus said, "Unless you people see signs and wonders, you will never believe." Kasi etong principle ng tao to see is to believe. Di ba? Ay, hindi ako naniniwala, hindi ko na kayo. Makita muna ng 2 mata ko or ng 4 na mata ko kung may salamin ka. Makita muna ng 2 mata ko. To see is to believe. But this is not the principle of God. John 20:29. Then Jesus told him, "Because you have seen me, you have believed. But blessed are those who have not seen, yet have believed." So that's faith. That's what Zach has been saying earlier. Faith, faith, faith. Kasi yung faith as you believe onto something na hindi mo pa nakikita. Like Noah when he built the ark. Sabi ni God, I will send rain. Pero how many years na walang rain, di ba? That's faith. Kasi he believed onto something that he hasn't seen yet. That's faith. Kasi Abraham, wala pa siyang anak, pero sinabi na ni God sa kanya, "You will be the father of many nations." Hindi pa niya nakita, but he believed. So faith is believing onto something that you haven't seen yet, kahit yung shadow lang. That is faith. And that's what God wants us to have, that kind of faith. Hebrews 11:1. It says, "Now faith is confidence in what we hope for and assurance about what we do not see." Ito na yung faith. You believe onto something that you do not see.